Hi, fitness warriors. Do you know the best superset exercise you can do for an upper body workout? That superset exercise is chin-ups and dips. Why the chin-ups work the bicep, the lats or the back, and it also engages the abs to keep you stabilized. The dips work the chest, the shoulders, okay, and the tricep. So these two exercises cover everything. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to show you how to do these exercises the best way. Another great thing about supersets is it helps you save time because you're putting two exercises into one. So let's get started. Okay, so that was 16 chin-ups and 16 dips. I like to count. I'm a math professor. Remember what I always say. They may be smarter than you. They may be stronger than you. They may be faster. They may be taller. They may even be younger, but never, and I do mean never, let them outwork you. All right, guys, be blessed. See you later.